She has launched the Zambia National Medical Oxygen Strategic Plan and the groundbreaking for the medical oxygen production plant for Kitwe Teaching Hospital.
Areas consume 1,250 kg cylinders of oxygen per month, and this costs or translates to a cost of almost 432,000 monthly. This translates to 41% of the hospital's grant that is required to buy drugs and other medical supplies of the hospital monthly.
Minister of Health SYLVIA Masebo set the ball rolling for the first ever state-of-an-art oxygen plant in the province. The minister emphasized the importance of both the strategic plan and medical oxygen plant.
This vision would be accomplished through investments in infrastructure, oxygen production, distribution, and safe administration of oxygen to patients.
She said the plant will address the challenges most health facilities face in terms of access to medical oxygen.
I believe that such investments will make oxygen accessible in all locations, including the most remote areas. Oxygen, as has already been alluded to, is an essential medicine used to care for patients at all levels of the healthcare system.
Perth Africa Regional Representative described the occasion as historical, as it will promote medical equity.
The medical oxygen strategic plan now in place, our efforts are going to be heavily focused on effective coordination of medical oxygen partners and supporting the government of Zambia through the Ministry of Health to raise the $1.6 billion required to implement the Zambia National Medical Oxygen Strategic Plan that is being launched today.
Swedish International Development Agency SIDA Head of Development Cooperative Susanna Hughes says the plant will end preventable deaths.
New medical oxygen production plant will not only save lives but also strengthen the health system.
The new plant will be able to produce 6,000 litres of pure oxygen per day.
Despite being the second most populated province after Lusaka, the Copperbelt doesn't have any oxygen plant and relies on oxygen supply from the capital. So we're certain that this new plant will help the government better plan for and address oxygen needs, especially amongst the most vulnerable and at risk.
Government and the traditional leadership were also present.
Living testimonies on how painful it was to lose our beloved loved ones during the COVID-19. I think everyone who is seated here was affected in one way or the other. And one of the issues we were fighting with was oxygen.
To the new Dawn government, under the able leadership of our President, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, these big things taking place.
Later, the minister led government and its partners to the groundbreaking of the oxygen plant. Musenge Mulimba, ZNBC News in Kitwe.